Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. It sounds like I got a westbound freight near St Ambroise Street here in St Henri district, just at the fence here. It's on the closest track. Heading westbound. It's about 5:20 p.m. on the 25th of February 2024. Lots of gondolas on this one. Go slow through here. Listen to it crashing over those switches. There's a jointed track here, I believe, that needs to be attended to. I think the switches are actually after the crossing, so this is not necessarily switch points. Sounds like a joint that's running over. Ontario Northlands, brand new hopper cars. Look at that. Cool. I've never seen those before. Pretty cool. That'll have to be my thumbnail because I've just never seen those types of hopper cars in a Ontario Northlands Chevron. tankers on this one. Long tanker cuts here. That's the end. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains of Montreal. Have a good day.